I was able to find eggs. And there was only exactly six eggs left, which I was able to fill this up. And there's an egg shortage going on, which is frustrating. And I was able to find the last 6 at Monoprix. Makes me very happy. But also, like, when are we gonna have more eggs? Because the only place I can find them is at bio stores right now. And I think it's just because they pay their farmers like a little bit more money for the eggs. So, but we're gonna make cookie bars and I'm gonna watch Love is Blind. So yeah. I don't think I'm gonna put white sugar in there. I'm just gonna leave it. So, there's like so much going on. And I'm processing it as we speak. I think I showed this. Actually, I got a haircut. It doesn't really look great right now because I did not do anything to it this morning, and honestly, like, the wind has gotten to it. I have a brush at work, but I just forgot to brush it today. I mean, I brushed it in the morning, but like throughout the day, my hair just gets quite tangly. But I started a new position within my workplace, and it's like a similar position, just in a different area. And I'm more focused on what I studied, which was education, which is really exciting. And I sound a little bit sick right now because I am a little bit sick, but I just want to talk about how exciting starting a new position can be, and like having that new energy. Like, I don't know if it's just because it's springtime or starting to feel like springtime in Paris, but there is just like, in the morning, I just have been getting up quicker in the morning. I've been just feeling overall, I mean, I'm like working really hard right now. Like, I think wrapping up my previous role and starting this new role today, it's really been a lot. Like, I think transition is always a lot, but I'm just really proud of myself. I guess I just came on here to be like, I'm proud of myself, but I'm just proud of myself because I think with any career or job, you can get so comfortable, and like, I really liked my previous team and I still really enjoy working with them, but for my professional goals and things like that, and honestly just professional curiosity, I decided to take on a new temporary position, and it's very, like I said, very exciting, very fun, and it's really fun, and I feel energized. I feel tired, but I feel energized by meeting new people, and yeah, I just feel very lucky right now that I get to have this opportunity. I'm really sure, like, I have an idea of just what I want and like what I want to work towards, but at the same time, I'm very much open to new pathways, if that makes sense, or even just new opportunities. And I don't have like a dead set career trajectory by any means. I mean, I would have never thought that I would end up in, actually, okay, I don't know if I would say never, but I definitely feel like when I started my professional, more like my professional journey, which I would say really started when I decided, it's hard to say because I used to be in healthcare and I used to think that I wanted to work in healthcare, but then I took a bit of a different professional route when I graduated from my undergrad, and I decided to go teach English for a year just before COVID in France. And I think it was really around this time, actually, okay, let's go back. I think it really started when I changed my major from, I thought that I wanted to do biology, and then I changed my major to human development and family studies. I really feel like that's where it kind of started. And it's just like, people ask in college, they always ask, what are you gonna do with that? Like, what is this gonna do? And I still am not quite exactly, I don't have like a job title in mind necessarily. I don't necessarily have set in stone career goals, which I think is kind of an advantage because I don't think I'm too, I kind of know what I don't want, but I have an idea of what I may want. And it feels really good to be, what, 28? I'm 28. I'm gonna be 29 at the end of this month. Can you believe it? But it feels really good to be 28 and to still feel like I have so much more to learn and explore, because I think a lot of times some people get in these corporate jobs and they just think there's just no room to grow. And I just feel like I have so much room to grow, and that's very exciting. Like, that makes me very happy. And I feel grateful. I feel grateful that I feel this way at 28. Yeah. And I am tired right now. I'm tired in the way that, like, there's a lot to process, if that makes sense. Yeah. So I'm gonna move my body. It's 7:20 and I'm gonna move my body a little bit. Like I said, I don't know, I'm feeling this sort of energy that I don't know if I wanna work on something. I'm not really sure what I want to work on this evening. I'm not really in the mode right now to relax. I definitely feel like I'm more in a creative mode. So we'll see where that takes us. I think it would be very interesting to speak and like sit down a little bit more about career choices and career opportunities, and actually maybe that's what I'll film in a little bit. I just think it would be very interesting to reach out and speak to more of a younger audience. Younger, I don't know. But college age, or yeah, just like emerging adults, because especially with AI and all that AI can offer, in terms of like helping young adults weigh different career options and things like that, I think it's such a helpful advising tool that I wish that I had when I was younger. Like, you can just ask ChatGPT to sort of design your like dream life or dream career. But I want to emphasize the fact that things change. Like, you gotta go for something and then pivot. Because I think sometimes when we go, oh yeah, like this is my dream job, like being a data analyst or being a doctor or things like that. I almost feel like you gotta have that goal, but then it's like, okay, but what's the big picture? What's like the big career picture here? And that's kind of what I'm in the mindset of exploring right now with my career. Is I want to explore a little bit more, like, like I said, what's the big picture? What are some things outside of work that I would like to do? And one of those things I really do enjoy doing is making YouTube videos and talking about moving to France, and honestly using French or using a language to really elevate your career and your choices. And even if you're staying in the US, I was just talking to a class about this recently at my alma mater. Shout out UW-Madison. But I was just talking to a class recently about how even French or a language or international relations, things like that, how that can be used in the US or in the United States. It sometimes is those soft skills and those things that really elevate and really differentiate your profile versus someone that can just do, you know, do those technical skills. And I'm starting to learn a little bit more about that and just like feel that, if that makes sense. And I'm not saying that I'm any expert at this, but my mentor recently was just talking to me about this, about how it's important to kind of figure out what differentiates you, and like how that sometimes I think we see it as a negative, and it's important to see how that
It's a beautiful day.
it's so pretty.
Je veux me prendre chez toi.
Chez moi?
Chez elle,
Ah, je t'ai donné tout
qui est en train de gagner. On sait pas. Cheers. Oh wait, no, it's, is it bad? No, it's like my hand got in the way. It's just been rainy for days. Just keep walking. Yeah, kick it. Oh, jeez. Ready? This is my own home video. Oh, shoot. Oh, shoot. It's in, oh God, it's in the other yard. Takes a man to pretend he was there. Me and my eyes. Me and my heart. Me and my eyes. Yeah, yeah. Me and my heart. Oh, is it the mom? Are you the mom? Are you the mom?